Welcome to Daily Insights, your guide to wisdom and knowledge. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Join me as we uncover the knowledge in everyday life, transforming the ordinary into extraordinary teachings. Daily Insights aims to spark your inspiration, ignite your curiosity, and explore life's most significant questions. Together, let us embark on the path of self discovery and personal growth as we unearth the light of wisdom and knowledge around us. Today, I invite you to join me on a journey of reflection and commitment as we explore guardians of truth, upholding integrity in our daily lives. In this age, where we're constantly bombarded with a barrage of information, some real and some fabricated, it is imperative to ask ourselves, what is our role in safeguarding the truth? Every day we are fed information from various societal elements that present their messages as facts. But it is crucial to question, dig deeper, and look beyond the surface. How often do we accept statements from media, politicians, corporations, and even our social circles at face value? And how does this shape our perception of the world and our decisions? The truth can often be lost in a sea of voices clamoring for our attention. We must navigate these waters with a critical eye. It requires us to not only be consumers of information, but also investigators of authenticity. But the question is, where do we start in a society that seems to value speed over accuracy, sensation over depth? Let us start with conversations at home. Encourage discussions that don't just seek to confirm what we already believe, but conversations that challenge our views. Teach our children to ask questions, seek evidence, and understand rather than believe. In our workplaces, let us foster cultures where integrity is the currency and truth is the foundation of our operations. It is about more than just not lying. It is about promoting transparency and accountability. And in our public life, let us demand the same standard from those who lead us. It is easy to get lost in the noise, to become overwhelmed or apathetic. But I want you to remember, whenever we demand the truth, we chip away at the pillars of deceit and misinformation. Being guardians of truth means recognizing the weight of our words and the impact of our beliefs. It means taking responsibility for what we say and do and for the information we pass along. Don't we pass along some information we know nothing about? It means having the strength to stand alone if necessary, the courage to admit we are wrong, and the wisdom to change our minds when faced with new evidence. Today, I ask you, are you ready to commit to this endeavor? To become a vigilant guardian of truth, to defend it against the onslaught of misinformation, and to uphold the integrity that will enrich our daily lives and the fabric of our society? Let us embark on this path with open hearts and minds, ready to learn, understand, and protect the truth for ourselves and for future generations. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.